What's up YouTube? What's up ladies and gents? You want a T12 V2 quality? I present to you T10 V4. Let's talk about it. Blue tint, some changes. We're gonna talk about it right now. So you wanted the T12 V2 quality, blue tint. Now this is the T10 V4. What's different about it? First of all, everybody's waiting for this. It's limited quantity. A lot of people are waiting for this. No knobs. This is still my favorite OEM-ish norm radio for the 4Runner, except for the big screen of the T12 V2, which I'm going to show you right now, which you've seen in my videos. I'm going to link, this video is not going to be the install because obviously it's the same radio. We have revamped it. We listened to you. Made it better. The other models, the previous ones, are still okay. They're top notch. Nothing is wrong with it. Don't worry about it. So why we did the change? Because you wanted a full screen. I have another video. I'm gonna link it in the description. You're gonna see the difference between the T10 V3.1 first version, which is the T10 V3. So now we have the T10 V4, which is blue tint, as I mentioned. These are new. You don't have to move your OEM anymore, both sides. The hazard switch is also new. You don't have to move any hazard switch or mistakenly lose it, especially these, because people were losing it and it's expensive. If you can find one at Toyota, at the dealer, it's impossible to find one like this. So here's the deal. I'm gonna show you the T10 V2 and we'll go from there. So this is the T10 V2, which also you will have the video linked in for the install right there. All my videos have important information in the description. As you see, this is also blue tint, and this one also is blue tint. It's exactly the same way that the same quality. Actually, it's the same screen of the T10 V2. So the difference, you can check, as I mentioned previously in the video, you can check the difference between the T10 V3 and the T10 V2.1 compared to the T10 V2. It's your call, which model you want, which design you want. I still love this. It's a sleek, straight design, and the difference between this and this is the screen. So if you check the size of the screen, obviously if you check at the corner, there's a difference, a lot of huge difference between the screen. So now coming to the T10 V4, these are the differences as I mentioned previously. This is already embedded in the head unit. You do not need to remove the OEM and then move it right here. It's embedded. The pre-installed hazard switch and matched color, which is the black TRD metallic, same thing. You have no issues removing it or putting it in. Quality has been better. It's still the same rear. Let me show you from the rear. It's still the same rear options, so nothing has been changed. Finally, the T10 V4, I'm gonna call it, is here. You don't need to wait anymore. Limited quantities. Make sure that you pick up yours. If this is what you were waiting for, always read the pinned message in the comment, because I have Easter eggs. Basically, the issue with the stock is that it's limited. The T10 V12 is wider, obviously, on top, but both are the same length. Don't forget, the T10 V4 has this gap. You see how the black all around bezel? So technically, it's the same width with the T10 V12. So boys, girls, the link is gonna be in the description below. read the pinned message. There are Easter eggs in my videos. If you want to receive the 10% discount, read the message. Read the pinned message, like the video, comment. There's also, like the other videos that I'm gonna do them one shot. One day you're gonna wake up and see like, boom, boom, boom. This guy won this radio, the guy won the ladder, the guy won the TRD skid plate, etc., etc. I'm gonna do them one shot and get it off, finish. I can't sleep at night. I owe you the giveaways and too much to do. Summer is here. We're having high 40, 42 Celsius, 108s, 110s in Canada, Montreal. So I apologize again. I've been apologizing for the last 3 videos, but you know what? I love you. Description, check the comments, check the links in the description. Join my 4Runner group, join my radio group to receive the 10% off coupon. Follow the pinned message. Boys, girls, this is the T10 V4. Thank you all. I love you as always. Thanks for the support. Peace out.